Welcome back to my channel. It's Ish again. How y'all doing? This beautiful ponytail look. This is usually the go-to look I go to when I don't want to be wearing wigs all day, every day. You know what I mean? This is too much. So keep on watching if you want to see how I slay this 32-inch pony. It is shrunk. It's really shrunk. It really shrunk a lot.
Really, I don't.
So first I'm gonna use this to mold my hair into a ponytail. My hair just came out of a ponytail from yesterday, so that's why it looks a little shabby. Hair long and lashes and whatever, but
hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the way.
you tighten it up. So I'm gonna put a head tie on and I'll be right back, guys. So I'm back, y'all. Yeah, so I put a head tie on and I added some black gel because my hair is not black. It's like number 2. Y'all girls know what I mean. It's like a light brown. Next step is baby hairs. I don't put this on my edges. I use the Gorilla Snot for my edges because that's the only thing holding down my edges. My edges. Okay, so next I use my old mascara and I add some of it to my edges because sis, I'm not balding, but sis needs some help. Sis needs some help.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
Your baby hair brush, and you make your baby hair. You make your swoops as needed. I said I'm not even making this do my baby hairs is done, or whatever I got that could make a baby hair. Like I said, I'm living a little struggle life right now. Take these wrap strips and wrap them around your baby hair. Keep that on. Let that push through and work on your ponytail. Ponytail is 30 inches. Oh, 32 inches. These 32 inches. She's 32. Amazon needs to start paying me for these reviews because I buy a lot of shit on Amazon. I ain't never had no 30-inch hair. See that? It's the comb that comes with it. And you take it. I'm not gonna put it on top, put it on the side, because that's weird that you gotta put it on the top. Put it on the side of your ponytail. And it also comes with this extra piece so you can wrap it around at the end. So, and then you wrap this part around. Wrap it around. Feels like the first time. Feels like the... I'm taking a bobby pin and putting it in the back. You don't have to if you don't want to. I just want to be secure. We out here falling apart in these streets. and you wrap that around. That's supposed to secure the bag. No, I'm just kidding. Supposed to secure the ponytail. Keeping it straight because I don't got time for that. So you wrap it around. I'm gonna put another bobby pin. That's the whole. I'm gonna be secure because I don't got time. Just make sure the bobby pin is in a comfortable spot because that will bother you all day. Just keep wrapping that piece around. My ponytail is intact. Whatever. Yeah. Or rip it off. Rip it from the back and then take it off from the front. That's the hard part because you just want your baby hairs to be right. And voila.
Oh my God! Wow!
It's just me, 30 inches and whatever. 30 inches. Ooh. Oh, me. 32 inches. How long that is? It hits my, hits my waist. Well, it's long. Hits my waist. And I'm about 5'6.5" inches. Like, subscribe if y'all like this hairstyle, if y'all like this makeup look. Trying to work on something new, y'all. I like this makeup look. Just let me know. Comment down below. If you like this hairstyle, comment down below. If you just like what I'm doing, comment down below. If you want to give me ideas, just comment down below. If you just want to say hi, just comment down below. But I just need y'all to like and subscribe. I appreciate y'all. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. See y'all later. Deuces.